Hey guys, Matt from Dudes Camping here. Today we're going to show you how to make campfire pizza with a cast iron skillet or a Dutch oven, whichever one you have. Let's go over it step by step. You're going to need your pizza crust. Make sure you got your cheese, your pizza sauce, your toppings, whatever you want. We're going to use turkey pepperoni. You want to keep this thing from sticking to the bottom of your pan because we're going to be putting hot coals on it. So make sure you have some olive oil. Either cast iron skillet with a lid or your Dutch oven. So we're going to put all the ingredients into our pan right now, and first we're going to use the olive oil, but I'm going to go over this little tool. This cool little tool was a gift from my good buddy Anthony. He got it at Bass Pro Shop, and it's got all the stuff you need: spatula, fork thing, and this is what we're going to use right now. So we're going to pour the olive oil into the pan and use this to kind of spread it around. This is just a precaution. Keep it from burning. Our dough has already poked its head outside of its canister here, so now I'm not sure exactly how you make dough out of this. Maybe, okay, I guess you're supposed to unroll it, but that ain't happening. We're gonna have to do it the hard way. The really hard way. This is probably not how you're supposed to take the dough out of it, but this is the way it's gonna be. So if all else fails when you're trying to do the pizza dough, you can always use your pizza sauce can and just kind of roll it like this. But we've chosen a better way, beer can. For some reason, the beer can works 6 times better. Make sure that the fire is going really good because you're going to need some coals. So while you're doing this, have your buddy or your wife or whatever, your kids, make sure that they're over there messing with the fire. Once you got your dough all laid out, put it in your pan and just kind of push it to the sides as much as you can. So our dough's all laid out, and you can put a little bit more oil on the dough. I would do that just to keep it moist as you're cooking it. I just put a little oil from the sides here. Put some pizza sauce on. What a handy little tool. Put on some cheese. That's a lot of cheese. That's how we like it. And that's it. Put the lid on. So now we're ready to put it on the fire. All right, now take your pizza, put it right on them coals. This ain't gonna take long. These coals are pretty hot too. It might be 20 minutes at the most. And you don't want to touch this thing. Coals on top. And you let it sit for probably 15 minutes, 20 at the most. Here's our pizza. It actually cooked a lot faster than we thought. I just checked it. It's been about 6 minutes, and this thing is cooked pretty darn good. So we're gonna take it out, put it on something, and cool it down. Our pizza's done. I would probably suggest doing it for 5 minutes, but it depends on how hot your coals are. If you let your coals burn down a little bit more, it'd probably be better. Maybe get 6-10 minutes out of it. But ours was really cheesy, really good right here at the top. Bottom's a little bit burnt, but you know, it's hit or miss. So let us know what you think. Do you have a better recipe? Have you tried this before? Have you ever eaten pizza on a campfire? Let us know in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you guys later.